Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So today we have one interesting question, which is under the methods, or rather the ways of counting. So the first question is telling us to find 7 factorial. This is read as a factorial. So when we are told to find 7 factorial without a calculator, you can say 7 factorial, where this simply means you multiply 7 times 6 by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1. So this is what 7 factorial stands for. So immediately we punch 7 shift factorial on our calculator, we get the answer to be 5040. So this is what 7 factorial is. Then our B question is telling us to evaluate this expression, which is 11 factorial over 8 factorial, where 11 factorial simply means 11 times 10 by 9 by 8 factorial. So we'll just leave it here because there is 8 factorial as the denominator. So 8 factorial and 8 factorial will cancel out. 11 by 10, that is 110, and 110 by 9, that is 990. So this is what 11 factorial over 8 factorial is. Then immediately now we have that, we can solve our C. So our C reads 10 combination 6. So combination as it is n factorial over n minus r factorial, where combination mainly deals with the number of selection. So we have 10 combination 6, which is also as 10 factorial over 10 minus 6 factorial, where r is 6 factorial, where we know for sure that 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So 4 factorial, 6 factorial, where we can now simplify this to be, remember 10 factorial is this number here which we have divided by 4 factorial multiplied by 6 factorial, close bracket, and we get our answer to be 210. So this is what 10 combination 6 is. Then the last question which we have is finding 10 permutation 6. Permutation deals with the number of arrangement but in order. This one deals with the number of selections, where permutation is n factorial over n minus r factorial, like that, where n is 10 factorial over 10 minus 6 factorial, where we can simplify this further to be 10 factorial over 4 factorial, where we know for sure that 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial, you get the value to be 151200. Or if you want, you can punch this one directly on the calculator, you also get the same number. For you to put the permutation, you punch shift, then where there is combination here, it will come permutation. So this is how we calculate the values which were shown above. Your host, Golden Zulu.